Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have been following me on the other channel, if you've been following the updates that I've posted on the other channel, the reason I've been not posting is I got into a bit of a problem with YouTube and Google on one of the channels. It's a channel that's not even related to forex trading and indices trading and things like that. It's not a trading related channel. But so I kind of got into a tight spot with YouTube and Google, which I am resolving because from the looks of things, it's probably their algorithms that probably flagged me. But the people that I've talked to at YouTube support, it doesn't look like I was at fault, but the algorithms do that sometimes. So I'm just hoping that the situation can get resolved. So do you need to be trading the US election? Are you going to be trading the US election, which is happening on November the 3rd? I would like to hear your thoughts. So leave a comment in the comments box below. What's going to happen is, like we've noticed in the past few weeks leading up to the election, there's been a lot of volatility in the market. There's been a lot of movement in the markets. We do not know whether Joe Biden is going to win it or whether Trump is going to win it. Despite the polls, despite what the media will tell you, I promise you, elections are always a tricky affair. The result usually surprises you. Who remembers when Trump won that election and nobody thought he was going to win? So who knows? He might win, he might not. But as traders, there's going to be a lot of opportunities, and also there's going to be a lot of dangers to be trading the US election. So, like I am advising some of my friends and other traders, before you decide whether you also want to trade the US markets, there are some things that you need to think about. Think about risk. Think about the size of your account. Think about what might happen with the brokers and stuff like that. For example, my broker has already started sending emails warning about the upcoming election, about volatility, and that they are going to be widening spreads. They are going to be widening spreads. So you kind of need to take note of that before you place your trades, that the spread is going to be unusually wide. So I think I cannot say you should not trade the US election or that you should trade it, but look at your risk appetite. Are you a person who loves to take risk? Then it's fine. What's the size of your account? If your account is too small, especially trading indices and things like that, it's very easy to get wiped out. But if you have enough capital in your account, perhaps you might be safe. So perhaps you might survive a margin call or a bad trade. Because what's going to happen is, with a lot of volatility, if you get caught on the wrong side of the market, definitely you are going to be in trouble, because there's going to be a lot of volatility, so the markets will be moving. So if they move against you, you are going to be in a tight spot. But if you happen to catch the correct move, if you happen to be on the right side of the market, by all means you are going to be milking it. You will be milking it. So my advice would be that if a person who doesn't enjoy taking too much risk with their account, of course, as a forex trader, as a trader, you need to be a risk manager. Manage your risk, manage your capital, make sure that you don't lose your initial capital. You can trade and lose your profits, but make sure your initial capital is safe. So if you don't mind risk, then by all means, the US election is a great opportunity to make some money, but it's also an opportunity to lose some money. So make sure that your account is large enough to survive a margin call, and that you are well funded, that you don't lose money on a single bad trade. So make sure you manage your lot sizing, money management, uh, have your money management in place, and do your homework. Do your homework. It's going to be tough because if you've noticed in the past few weeks, even correlations, pairs that usually correlate and things like that, they haven't been moving in their usual normal way. And pairs, you and many pairs have been jumping up and down, and sometimes you don't know whether they're going up or whether they're going down because of the volatility. Everyone is excited, and everyone is also waiting to see what happens, whether Trump will snatch it or Joe Biden will snatch this one. But yeah, just be safe, guys. If you are not sure of what you're doing, please stay out of the markets. But if you know what you're doing, you have a good strategy, you've got enough capital in your account, and you don't mind losing, then by any means, this is a great opportunity to make money. But if you can't, don't force it. There is going to be a next week and next month. You can always trade the future. Okay, so yeah, I'm still waiting to see what YouTube says and what Google says regarding my situation and my channels. But yeah, I just thought let me make a video and perhaps also see whether the videos will go out or they will not go out. But yeah, so if I manage to make a new channel, I'll then advise you on the new channel on the blogs. Go there if you want robots, if you want indicators, strategies, and things like that. I'll continue posting on the blogs. Yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until next time, guys. Bye.